guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana and I'm back with another video. In today's video I'll be showing you how I pluck my lace fronts, and this wig is from Megalook. It is a hair company on Amazon, and I have other videos with this wig, me installing it and dyeing the color jet black. But today's video is specifically just plucking. So first thing I do is take out the pre-plucked hair or the baby hair that they usually provide for you when you get a wig. And I'm going to take my tweezers and just start plucking. If you are a beginner, I would suggest probably using a white towel. I usually do use a white towel, but I don't know, for some reason in this video I didn't. But I would personally use a white towel under the lace because you can see exactly what you're doing and you won't ruin the chance of you possibly ripping the lace, because that is something that you can do while you're plucking the hair. You can accidentally rip the lace. So I do suggest beginners make sure that you use a white towel. Even if you're not a beginner, like I said, I personally do use a white towel, but in this video I didn't. So when I'm plucking, I try not to stay in one exact area because you can risk yourself of getting a bald spot. So you just want to pluck a little bit and then comb back the hair to see your progression. You want to see if you need to pluck more in that area or not. So yeah, that's what I do. I pluck and then I comb. And this is the hair that I got back after plucking it and, you know, combing it through, making sure that there's no extra loose strands off. The next thing that I like to do with the plucking process is hot comb the hairline, just press it out. This gives me a visual to see if I need to pluck any more. I do this by itself first before I add the wax stick, but in this case I didn't need to pluck any more off. It was perfectly fine with the way that it was plucked. So next I'm going to take my She Is Bomb wax stick, and that is going to help me get that crisp pressed look. When you want to press out your hair and get it to be flat, a hot comb and a wax stick is literally the best mixture together. Like, it's the best combination. So this is what my hairline is looking like after I have plucked it and pressed it out with the hot comb and the wax stick. And I'm going to show you how the wig looks like after I have melted it on me. So stay tuned for those little clips at the end. I hope that this video was helpful for y'all. Y'all enjoyed it. If it was, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you are new here, do not forget to give me a subscribe. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.